Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got the latest scripts for my Blox Fruits game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, or even you can do it with your PC. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can actually get this online, and later we will test it together. Does it actually work? So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. And then let's click on browse all scripts. So there we will find Blox Fruits. Click there, guys. It should be online. So there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID in order to connect our account. So guys, if you don't know how to find your user ID, don't worry, because you can click here how to find your user ID and you can see how to actually find it, or I can simply show you. So go to your roblox.com on your browser, log in there, and then go to your profile as it's mine and just copy your profile URL. So guys, there is your user ID, these small numbers, and just copy your whole profile URL. And let's get back to the tool. So guys, there you will have this button and only click on this button, so you will automatically paste only your user ID from that URL. So just click on that account, guys, and it will start connecting. So you should get this message, user found, when it finds you. So there we go, our account is now connected, and now we will have to get any executor in order to import our scripts into Blox Fruits. So guys, if you have executor, you can import scripts, simple as that. So if you already have Delta Executor, just select yes. If you already have a different executor, just select already have a different executor. Or if you have no any executor or you have no Delta, just select no and import newest Delta Executor. That's what will I do now. So now it's the main step. So we will have to select our scripts for our Blox Fruits. So I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna. These four are my favorites. So I will select this and just click continue. So guys, when you select this, just simple proceed to the next step, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So there we go, guys. API is connected, nice. Our four scripts selected are ready, and we got also this activation key. Nice, guys. So now we'll have this bot captcha, and we will have to click here because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys, and we should get verified. So there we go, guys. Verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check, guys. Our user ID and our key is connected. Nice. So now I will open my Roblox and we will open Blox Fruits, and then we will test does it actually work. So we will test all these amazing features, guys, from these scripts we have selected. There it is. Nice. Blox Fruits. Let's click play and let's wait for this loading screen. I will rotate my phone and then we will wait, guys. So we should receive 4 scripts and 1 Delta Executor. So let's see. I will select whatever. So there we go, guys. We got our Delta Executor. As you can see, it works successfully. And now there we go. Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna. All scripts that we actually have selected. So I will open NICUs now to test does it actually work. So let's see, guys. Will we actually get that working? So there we go, guys. We got this amazing script and we got all these features free, as you can see, guys. Click teleport. Let's test something. So let's test something for farming, right? So what, enable farm nearest. So as you can see, guys, it's sick. It works automatically. Bloxforge.com is absolutely legit website where you can get these amazing scripts. As you can see, guys, it's automatically farming. It's sick. It works amazing, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.